Hello students, today I'm going to introduce you to your new design challenge, and I like to call it the Ultimate Homeschool Workspace. Here is your scenario. With schools being closed for an extended time, you will be required to complete your schoolwork at home. Many of the assignments for your different classes will require that you use a computer, a textbook, constructing things, writing on paper, or even exercise or musical assignments. For this project, you will examine the areas and items currently in your home in order to redesign the ultimate homeschool workspace for yourself. You will need to take 2 to 3 before pictures of your study space and then create a virtual model or cardboard prototype of your remodel and then submit your work on a PowerPoint similar to something like I'm showing you now. This is actually an assignment I had to do for a class, and I had to create my ultimate science classroom. And I took some pictures before, so you can see this is our normal science class with the tables set up in rows and things around the room. I've taken pictures from different angles, so you can see like what's at the sides and what's at the front, what's in the back of the room. You can see the things on my walls. You can see how, as a teacher, I would get around. And you can see areas where, there's posters and things for students to look at. And your job is to create an after Ultimate Homeschool Workspace. So you're going to take pictures of your space before, just like I did, and then create an after space. Now you can do it in 2 ways. You can do a cardboard or physical model or a virtual model. And I'll show you the one that I did for my class, and I just had a lot of fun doing it. The after pictures, I picked a virtual website to use that I'm going to show you how to use. And so when I changed up my classroom, it was where I could have storage, I could have different spaces. I had 2 interactive boards. I still had my desk where I could conduct experiments. I had an area where you could get supplies easily, lots of shelves. I had a station against one wall that was just nothing but technology. I had just a kind of relaxing corner where I could put extra materials, just if you finished your project, like reading materials or games, and a dry erase board and a calendar by the door. And then I also wanted to make sure my perfect classroom had an area where we could film things. And if I had enough time, I would have painted that wall green, so it would have been like a green screen for us. So that was how I did my project. And you'll see that it says designed by me. My name's down there. And if you use this website, that's what I'll be looking for as well when I check yours. So the other option that you can do is like a cardboard model, and you could have different things made from cardboard, which is more like what you're used to working with in the classroom when we make prototypes. But think about the things like what is comfortable to you, but don't make it too comfortable that you need while you complete assignments. And then what will you actually need available to complete all your kind of schoolwork? If you're in PE and you need to submit some exercises for the coach, then you need a space for that. You'll need areas to organize your work and your supplies, but these are the things that I want you to think about. This is also on the Word document that I'm going to put on my blog. But think about all these things, like, do you need a silent area, or do you like a place for music? Can you complete work or in a busy area of your house, or do you need to be located away from distractions? Think about the power that you need. Think about the lighting that you'll need. Will you need to have a place for electronics devices? Do you want comfy seating? Is there a space outdoors you could use? And then think about what other furniture, accessories you would like to use, but mainly, how can you make the area reflect your personality and interests? So this is your challenge. You're going to look at the document that I've also added, and I'll give a little tutorial about how to use the Home Styler, the Room Styler website. And I hope you have a great time doing this. I'm so excited to see what you're going to come up with.